Hi dear friends, welcome to the class. In this class we'll be learning about a 3dsmax loft. So before we start a loft, let me show you some of the examples which you can make in 3dsmax loft. So you can see that these all examples are of 3dsmax loft. So what exactly you need in 3dsmax loft is the shape and the path. So if you have a shape and if you have a path, you can create like this kind of objects. Also, this is another category of loft where you have a different shapes. So when you loft it, the object is loft in a different shapes. So let us start with the loft command. So let us start with the easy command. I am going Alt W and making a viewport bigger. And in this, what I am going to do is that in a top view, I am going to make one shape. Let us say a star. And I'll go to the front view. So I'll say VF. And in the front view, I'm going to make with a corner, I'm going to make one path. So this is what I have right now. If you're not able to see it, just zoom it. So we have a star and we have a line. So star is our shape and the line is our path. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select the star. I'm going to go to the compound. In this, I'm going to go to loft, and in this, I'm going to select the get path. Now, when I select the get path, you can see my object got lofted. So this is the first thing. Let us go to the another part. Now, in this part, I'm going to select the path first. I'm going to go to the loft, and in this case, I'm going to select the shape. So the moment I select the shape, you can see the object get extrude into that path. Now since it was a straight line, I'll go again Ctrl Z and I'll just copy the star again, and instead of making a straight line, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to the line, and now I'm going to select smooth and I'm going to make a curved line. Now you can see I have it like this. Again, I'm going to select a path. I'm going to go to the loft and I'm going to select the shape. The moment I select the shape, you can see my object has lofted in a given path. So this is all about a path and a shape where you can loft the object. But in some cases, you can loft a different shape in a given path. For that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a rectangle, I'm going to take a circle, and I'm going to take a, let's say, a star. And in the front view, I'm going to make a straight line. Before I make a straight line, I'm going to make a corner. This is my straight line, and now on this straight line, if I switch off the grid, it will be more easily visible to you. So it's like this now. So now in this line, I'm going to extrude these three parts. Now I'll just make little bit star a bigger star. Yeah. Also, I'll make this little bit side so that you can see it properly. Now, what I have done is that I have selected my object and path, and I'll go to a loft, And before I select the loft, I am going to give a distance. So let us say that from here to here I will divide my line into 3 parts. So I'll say at a distance of 35, till the distance of 35, I want this shape, alright. And then again I am going to go and I am going to say at a distance till 70, I want to loft with this. So you can see that my object of square got till this point. Again I'll say till 100, at 100 I want this shape. So you can see what has happened, that this object is my base, this object has come at a distance of 70 till this point, and my star has come in the end, that is at the 100. Similarly, I'll go again, I'll again make front of you that with the different values. I'll select the line, I'll go to the loft, and let us say that now I select at 0, I'll select this shape. So you can see that this green line which shows that at 0 this square has come. At a distance of, let's say, 30, I want this circle. So this circle has come from the base at a distance of 30, and on the top of 100 I need this star. So you can see the star has come on the top. So this is all about a loft with different shapes in one path, and this is all about the loft of one shape in one path with curvature, and this is about a loft with a single shape with single path. We can make this also. I'll just select the line first, I'll go to the loft and get shape. So this is all about the different type of loft. I hope you have understood this practical. If you have any doubt, please do let me know, and thank you for joining the class. Have a good day.